Hello everyone, today's topic is essay on Taj Mahal in English. Please do subscribe my channel. Taj Mahal is the most attractive and historical place in India. Taj Mahal is a cultural monument of India. It is located in the city of Agra in the state of Uttar Pradesh. The Taj Mahal has been declared a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The Taj Mahal of Agra is considered a symbol of India's pride and love. It is one of the 7 wonders in the whole world. It is situated on the right side of the Yamuna river in Agra. The Taj Mahal is a symbol of the love of Shah Jahan and Mumtaz, which tells the story of love of two hearts. It was built by King Shah Jahan in memory of his wife Queen Mumtaz after the death. The Taj Mahal was built in the year 1631, which was completed in 1653. Its height is about 73 meters, means 240 feet. Many artists and workers made Taj Mahal by working hard. About 20,000 workers contributed in making Taj Mahal. After building it, Shah Jahan had cut off the hands of the workers because he didn't want another building like the Taj Mahal to be built. It is a very beautiful building made of white marble. Some verses of the Quran are written on its walls using glass shards. The walls are beautifully carved. Outside it is a very tall and beautiful door known as the Buland Darwaja. In the dark chamber under its dome are the tombs of the king and queen. There are lots of trees and grass enhance its beauty and environmental fragrance. It also has fountains in many places which make the Taj Mahal magnificent and shiny. It feels like a paradise of dreams. It is one of the most attractive tourist destinations in India, which is visited by more than thousands of the people every year. The Taj Mahal is very beautiful. Thanks for watching.